guys, it's Isha and welcome to a day in my life vlog which is starting actually a night before. Okay, so I have my midsem going on and I decided to show you around to my day or also like how I prepare and all that stuff because I think that it would be helpful for you because I get a lot of questions, like so many questions, maybe like almost daily, that how is journalism student life, is it hectic, is it manageable, how do you actually study, what do you study, and how do you prepare for exams, is it easy, is it tough, and like all kind of questions basically. So I think videos like this would help you a lot decide for yourself that if it is good for you or not, if it is manageable, if it is like for you or not. Basically it will help you decide that. So this time, because everything is online, there are a variety of options that all the faculties have got, that how they can take our tests. It can be in a form of assignment, it can be in a form of quiz, Viva, Google form test, anything. I also had like one paper today as well, but we got an assignment for that. So there was no written test or no test in that particular class. So the paper that I have tomorrow is basics of cyber media, and I'm going to dig into the syllabus that what is going to come, and I'm going to study really smart. That I'm actually going to touch the topics that is highly predictable to come, and at last I'll touch I'll briefly touch the topics which I think is not that important, but I'm going to touch the important topics first. This is how I study, this is my strategy that I use to quickly revise all of that, because I have a decent knowledge of every topic that has been taught, that is there in the module. Also, I'm going to start with the topics that I know least about, and like there are two things: topic that I know least about, and that is also important. So I'm going to touch that very first. So the topics that are here, which I think belongs to that category, is Web 2.0. And after that, after I complete this topic, I'm going to go and quickly cover the topic of media convergence, that is here included in the syllabus. And I guess if I just have this good grasp of these two topics, I will be in a good state to give my exams tomorrow. And actually this time my friends have done life savior things for us. So they have actually sent in all the materials and everything that we need to study for that in the group that we have, so that we don't have to waste our time digging and like surfing everything and finding out materials and studying for them. So I have everything just in front of me, and I just need to read it and grasp the right concept into my mind so that I can write it tomorrow. Now, media convergence is a vast topic. It's really vast. Hey, so yeah, it's the next day. I woke up at around 8, done with all of the morning chores and everything, and now it's about 9. I have my class from 9:15, and the paper that we are going to give today is from 1:15. So yeah, we have time, like pretty much good time. We have to like revise everything again, but I was done with everything, the syllabus, the revision, everything the night itself. So I prepared a quick note sort of in just 2 pages, and I'm going to quickly go through that before the class starts at 9:15, so that everything that I've studied yesterday is in my mind, like everything, the quick notes is like there in my mind, and I don't mess up with it, and I won't have to like worry about it at all later in the morning, like anytime later. Now we have a break for 2 hours, and after that from 1:15 we have the test that we need to give, and I'm all prepared. I'm not at all worried. I still have one more topic to cover, but I guess that's the history basically, so that would be quick. Right now I was working on the presentation that we need to submit, and yes, it's done. I made this presentation right now on is radio relevant in 21st century that we need to present, and this is how it looks. I guess it looks decent. And now I have more time. I can revise the notes that I have made yesterday, and actually I've gone quickly through it in the morning itself. So I'll just go through it once more after a while, and now I will work on my own thing. So yes, if you think that everything is very hectic and you don't get time to do anything or something like that, that's not the case. And maybe that's because how I take it. I take these mid-sems or even end-sem for that matter, I take them very lightly, and I make it a point that I don't study like too much. I always have, even on the exams day, I have time to do things of my own. I'm working on building my portfolio, so I'm also working as a freelance writer alongside it. So yes, so that is why all the work that I need to do there is what I'm going to do in the spare time that I've got right now.
So everyone is ready? Now I am sending you the link. All the best to everyone.
Yeah, so done with the paper, and oh my god, it didn't even feel like a paper. It didn't even feel like I was giving an exam or something. It was so simple, it was so easy. So we got 9 questions, 8 of them were MCQs, and the last question was a subjective one of 2 marks. So it didn't even feel like subjective, like we literally had to write 2 or 3 lines on it. So like, and I guess mid-sem, like in general, is meant to be simple. Even when we used to give mid-sem, like the regular mid-sem that we used to have in our college written one offline, at that time also I'm sorry, at that time also mid-sems were super easy, and for some papers I used to feel like even if I don't study a word, like a letter, I would be in a good position to write the exam in a good manner. Like I would be able to score good, or if not like full. So this is why what I used to feel for subjects like news and everything, those subjects that we have, like repetitive subject that we have like every semester, for those subjects I'm talking about. So yeah, done with that. I don't have any scheduled classes anymore, so all free. And now I'm probably go and get a shower, and also I need to have my lunch, and also I'm hungry, so maybe I'll eat my lunch first and then I'll go and get a shower. Okay, I'll decide along the way, and after that I'll get around, I guess, 30 minutes to 45 minutes free just to myself, so I could do anything at that time. I usually prefer to sleep at that time. And after that I have tuitions that I need to take, so like I have to go for tuitions basically. Hey stories, so I'm back now, and I'm all set to study for another paper that we have tomorrow, and that is of Principles of Marketing. So this is a pretty new paper, and to be quite honest, it's interesting paper, but since it's a new one, I don't think I have like studied much of it. I was studying this topic, marketing mix. So yeah, it's midnight already, and I'm done with all the prep that I had to do for my paper tomorrow. Yes, it took me a little longer than I thought it would. But okay, I'm finished with everything. I don't have to worry about anything tomorrow. And also prepared a short notes kind of, which I can quickly go through tomorrow, like all these pages. ये सारे. And yes, that's about it. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful as well.
And if you did, and also if you want me to make more of these vlogs about like media student life wale vlogs, so please let me know in the comments section below, and please consider subscribing this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos. And also you can check out more videos on my channel related to journalism, career related videos, and what self growth related videos. I guess my mind is not working because it's midnight already and I need to sleep. What else? Share this video to whoever you think might find this video helpful as well. And I'll see you next time. Till then, dream, design, and live your story. Bye bye.